it has understood. So let me add it to board and we can see it. So you can see that I had added the person's image with name, their email address, though there is some description. Design tools are amazing until they're not. Usually, these days, to design anything, you use Figma or similar tool. Staring at a blank canvas, dragging and dropping boxes and elements, adjusting the height, width, and the alignment, and finally playing, it all looks good. Unless you are a designer. But let's be honest, without designing skills, whatever we do, it all ends up looking very clumsy. I've been there, I've done that. But what if you still want to create a clean UI, a quick flowchart, or a clean dashboard wireframe? Welcome to day 184 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we're checking out Visily, an AI tool that will take your text prompt and convert them into designs. It could be flowcharts or wireframes as well. Not just that, you can also upload pencil sketches and Visily will convert them into full-blown designs, which you can then edit with styles and prototyping. Let's see how it all works. So to begin, head over to visily.ai, click on continue as Grid 7 because that's my Google account. You use your Google account. And there you go. It's asking us what is the workspace name, and I'll leave it to the default one. Founder C level, school project or client project, let's see. 1 to 10. How did you hear about us? Let's say YouTube. So what do you want to create? Wireframes or diagrams? So let's start with wireframes, and then it's asking whether we want it for mobile, web or mobile. We can choose it. We can have the templates over here, or I'll close this and we have Ask AI. And I'll test a prompt here, which is create a mobile login screen with email, password, a login button, and a forgot password link, right? And I'll just hit enter. So we get 500 credits per workspace, out of which I guess 30 has been used right now for getting this design, and that's why we have 470 left. Yeah, so text to design is 30 credits per screen, right? Diagram to design is 30 credits per screen. Screenshot to design is 20 credits. Sketch to design is 20 credits, and so on and so forth. So you can see here, and you see that we have got a very clean UI design done. So let me click on preview, and you can see here, right? So email address, password, login, forgot password, or create a new account. Right? So if you like this, you can click on add to board, which is basically coming onto the board here. And if you don't like this, then you can ask it to regenerate again. Okay. And now you can see here to modify the generated output, describe the changes in the text prompt below. And this will cost us 10 credits. So for example, a new please come up with dark designs. So I'll click on enter, and then within a few seconds we should have our dark mode design available. Okay, there you go. So I wouldn't preview, I'll directly add to board, right? So this is the light mode that we have, and this is the dark mode that we have, right? Looks pretty good for somebody who might not be good with designs, right? So this is decent enough to be using in our app. So let me go to a new one, and we will use a screenshot to wireframe. I tried the screenshot to wireframe in one of the videos previously. I'll use the same screenshot now. It's over here. I'll upload this. So you can see that I had given the screenshot like this. I'm not sure if I can open it and zoom in to show you. Right, so it looks like you uploaded a sketch, want to convert it to wireframe using Sketch to design AI. Oh yeah, it is not a screenshot, sorry. It is a sketch, right? So continue with Sketch to design AI. Okay, so it costs us 20 credits per screen. And do we need a web screen or a mobile screen? I think I've done a mobile screen, so I'll go with mobile. I'm not sure if it'll understand my sketch because it is completely rough. I wish I could give a writing as to what I've tried to sketch, but let's see how AI can understand what I've done. Almost there, and there you go. Good, it has understood. So let me add it to board and we can see it. So you can see that I had added the person's image with name, their email address, though there is some discrepancy over here, edit and invoices, and then the phone number and stuff like that. I think we can make it change, right? So we can change it. so we can play around with our changes. So we have the invoices section where we are displaying the invoices with the amount and the status and so on and so forth. And then we have home, search, notifications, messages, and profile section. This is great. And as you saw, we can also drag it and drop it wherever we feel is a good place. Or if you feel that not required, you can also delete it, change the colors, make any changes that you want in the properties. So not just wireframing or designs, you can also create diagrams. You can create flowcharts, you can create use case diagrams, you can create entity relationship diagrams, you can create class diagrams, so much more. And all of this with just a prompt, right? So you can add your prompt here and that will generate the diagrams for you. Creating a mockup or wireframes would take hours or sometimes even days. In fact, over 45% projects are delayed because designs take way too much time than we anticipate. But with tools like Visily, the first step becomes much easier. You can go from idea to interface in just minutes. So make sure to check this out and share it with your designer friend who takes days to create a mockup. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.